Saskatoon! There's a hole in my toe.
That's hella embarrassing. You
Oh no. Boom. Not our final destination. We're actually making a pit stop for car parts this morning. Well, in 5 hours. Today. We're making a pit stop for car parts today in Winnipeg. I didn't even know you guys had cars in Winnipeg. For those of you that are not caught up, oh my god. We are driving from, one sec. How the hell am I supposed to do this? This is a double, triple whirly-do. Just to get going this way. Why isn't there just an on-ramp? Come on, guys. This makes no sense. It literally looks like I'm calling my voicemail twice. This is a double voicemail logo turn. Who invented this? You think you're gonna merge? And then, oh, you're not merging, silly goose. You're doing a double voicemail turn. And you're right back where you started, just going the opposite way. And then, okay, now you can merge. Anyways, for anybody that is not caught up, we are driving from basically Vancouver. My shop was in Abbotsford, so we left Abbotsford, BC, and we are driving all the way just north of Toronto, Ontario. So yeah, we've done it before in 4 days. This time we're gonna try and crush it out in 5 days. Just a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more laid back, which is perfect because U-Haul broke down yesterday as soon as we left. Today we woke up in what's actually a lot nicer in the summer, Regina, Saskatchewan, which I've never really been to Saskatchewan before. It's not bad. I've only ever been across Canada in the winter, and God, can I tell you, the winter is probably the worst time for a road trip because I thought everything sucked, but it doesn't all suck. When the weather's warm and it puts you in a better mood, you actually look around at stuff a little more and you're like, yeah, that's not bad. As of the end of yesterday, everything that was nice to look at as far as the terrain is basically gone. All of today should be relatively flat until we hit Ontario tonight, and then we're back into some niceness. So at least we're gonna crush out all the prairies in only 1 day. Aside from going and picking up Skyline parts, I don't have a plan today. We're just vibing. Let's just vibe. We're making awesome time today. Something that's really nice about the prairies, or I guess like Saskatchewan, Manitoba, even Alberta really, they're super narrow. On a map, don't take up a lot of space. Pretty quickly you can tear through all the central provinces of Canada. We have also made it to basically officially the prairies. This is basically as flat as she gets. It's a wild place, man. It's wild to do this all in 1 week. Like, 2 days ago, you're looking up at a mountain that's the biggest thing you've ever seen in your life, and now you're just like, you could literally see as far as your vision will let you see. It's wild. I didn't think anybody was gonna be home. I don't wanna go. I literally don't know. I don't know this person, so I'm not trying to make this too awkward. I don't know, is there anybody neighboring you that's like into cars? Okay, that's good. And that's why I didn't think anybody was gonna be home. We are gonna try this one more time. Boom. Okay, first off, most importantly, I need someone to tell me what the hell is going on here. Now this road is like cement slabs, but even on a regular road, what's with you guys having cracks in your road every 5 or 6 feet? I gotta tell you, Manitoba has been one of the absolute worst drives so far, just because it's just constant vibrations. It's driving me insane. I'm pretty sure it's because of the freeze. That would make sense to me. Like, it's purposefully cut in a straight line. I'm assuming the winter just gets so cold you need it. Also, update, we were forced completely off-road. I didn't film it because it just happened in an instant, but they're doing a bunch of construction. We got forced into like almost the ditch at this point. Actually, this side's not bad. This side is nasty. Dude, it looks like this thing just came out of a ditch. It literally looks like I just repoed this. Especially when I put bags in this thing, I lift the rear. I think I'm gonna get like mud flaps or something, because that It's embarrassing, dude. It's all over the car. I mean, I know I'm driving it across the country, but it's still a little bit embarrassing. Everybody that's been driving by me has been taking photos, been taking videos, and now it looks like I just repoed this thing. Oh, that's okay. I don't mind the dogs.
Yeah, just a little good.
I won't let them out. Ooh, there we are. All right, not bad. Not too shabby. This is definitely gonna need 2 trips here. Oh my God, these go far. There's the gang. I left these guys out here because that street specifically was really narrow. I didn't know if you could turn around. I didn't want Thomas to get stuck. But the Genesis does not look like it got sprayed too bad, actually. The Genesis, I think because this thing's so low, didn't really do. It got dirty. Damn it, I'm so upset the BRZ's filthy, man. There were so many people taking photos, now the photos are just gonna suck. So we had a really weird situation happen where normally when you look for car parts or anything that you want to buy, you look literally in your area. Now Chris tends to do this thing where he looks all over Canada just to see what's going on. He does some weird things sometimes that buys car parts from really far away, because sometimes you can get really good deals. You just gotta look for them. So it just so happened to work out perfectly that we were passing through Manitoba and he was browsing. He found a set of R34 seats that he wants to put in his R32. These are actually mint. Like, a lot of you guys are probably just like, oh, well, it's a stock seat, but like, bruh, I'm even gonna give you guys the full effect here. Look at this thing, dude. This is a nice seat. It's an OEM seat. I guess he just wants to replace the 32 with 34 seats. But this is nice. Like, this literally looks like brand new. Like, there's honestly like very little wear that comes with the rails and everything. And Chris found this all the way out here in Manitoba for $100. His friend out here in Manitoba. I don't even know how you have a friend out here in Manitoba, bro. Like, how does Chris have a friend in Manitoba? He found them on Craigslist. I'm about to tell them the story. I'll tell it to you. Chris found these things on Craigslist for $100 for both with the seat rails. They're literally mint. And then he got his friend who lives out here like 2 or 3 days ago. She went and picked these up and then put them at her house in her backyard when she went to work. So I just went to her house, picked them up. And now we're back, we're booling again.
Can we get lunch, please?
Yes, we can get lunch, Thomas.
Okay.
Holy shit, dude.
Look at the train, babe. That's what's happening.
What the hell? I thought they were doing construction, then I saw this guy with a camera. I'm like, okay, something funky's going on here. Dude, this train, okay, where's the train now? Train's back there, I guess. Can you guys see it? And then the train is off the rails, bro.
I think he's not okay.
Holy shit. Well, zoom in on that.
On what?
On the freaking train that's on the ground.
There's a train on the ground?
Holy freaking shitballs, man. You seeing this? They probably put like a Nokia on the track or something. I don't know what's going on.
Because Nokia no brake. Comment if you get it, guys. Nokia.
That's emptied all over the ground. They're separated, the wheels are gone. They're all dumping everywhere. Look at these things, they're just dumped. Check out the tracks. Bro, the tracks are out of the ground.
So much grains on the ground outside the train. Don't mind me. Oh my god, not a social distance. How?
Like, literally how?
I don't know if this is gonna be used, but by Robbie Cam.
That one went through that one. This is nuts! And then the train's just fine. That is literally one of the craziest things I've ever seen. Alright, I don't know if I have any footage of this.
A wild rabbit appears. He's taking a photo.
But this was the first gas station we ever stopped at when we left Ontario on our way to BC like almost 3 years ago. It was cold, it was snowy, and this is gonna be the last gas station we stop at before we leave this flat ass province to get back home. Oh! Dude, we made it with just barely enough sunlight. Ontario is like, is it not the biggest province?
Yeah.
Why we got the lowest budget sign?
I know. Because we gotta spread the budget throughout the province.
Oh my god.
People in BC that complain about mosquitoes got nothing because they go like tiny little bitch ass mosquitoes. Ontario mosquitoes are like, give me that blood, boy, give me that blood.
Ow. That's it. That's all.
I don't know if you can see what's going on here. Let me try and...
Carport.
So we made a little carport here.
An epic carport.
So this is like, we put up a sweater to the mirror and my sweater to the mirror. And then we blocked off the back window with a box. Nobody can see us through the front window. And if they want to see us through this window, they got to stand on the Genesis. This is not ideal, and we wish we could sleep. We wish we could sleep in a normal hotel room because this is suck.
Ow. That's it. That's all.
Boy, last night was a mess. We got to the hotel. The hotel didn't have any parking to accommodate us at all. It was like one of those weird ones where they just have like regular spots and they just have a couple of them. So there's absolutely nowhere for me or Thomas to park these things. And then as we're going around, there was like a couple crackheads literally chilling right there. And then there was like a group of people who knew who I was, which is fine, but the only place that I could park my car was literally directly on the road. And then they wanted me to park my car directly on the road beside a group of people who knew me, who was 10 feet away from a pile of crackheads in the middle of a town I don't know. So we just bailed. We
Slept at Walmart.
We slept at Walmart right here. Not ideal. My car is still disgusting. It's obviously popular to sleep at Walmart, like all truckers and stuff do that. At least here in Canada, it's a big thing. They literally have like on the other side of this Walmart parking lot, there's like huge truck spaces for people to sleep. But we got here last night, obviously the parking lot was empty other than all these guys with their RVs and campers and a bunch of trucks. And instead of sleeping under a bright light, we literally just pulled onto this little ditch, I guess. I don't know. Honestly, I slept all right. But I didn't get to charge my camera, so all I have left is 2 bars.
Oh no.
Where we are right now is Dryden, Ontario. We are trying to get to Sault Ste. Marie. I've been saying Thunder Bay all morning. We're trying to get to Sault Ste. Marie because from Sault Ste. Marie home is only like 6 hours. So tomorrow will be a breeze. We just wake up, scoot home, and we're good to go. Cars are dirty. Camera battery's almost dead. Got another long day. Are you excited?
You know, at first I was kind of upsetty spaghetti, but now I got an ice cup, so it's all better. What are you doing? This is what we've been looking at for like the past 5 whole days, non-stop. Just the butt of the BRZ, and I'm sick of it.
It's our last day!
My hands are all calloused. I don't know if you can see them.
From what?
From the steering wheel. This thing like rocks back and forth.
Oh.
Yeah, dude, my hands are like messed up. They're like,
I thought you just were
sore.
death gripping it the whole time.
No. Even just like doing one of those, like a loose, like nice grip, that just shaves them right up.
Yeah, well, quality I expected.
Yeah, pretty much.
Thanks for
you all.
you all.
This morning we finally got to sleep in for once. We are in Sault Ste. Marie this morning. So yesterday, I don't think a whole lot really even happened. We drove to Northern Ontario, which is actually beautiful. Like the new memories of all the mountains and stuff kind of made me completely forget about the mountains that we have here in Ontario. Like, sure, they're not skyscrapers, but like, the drive from Thunder Bay to Wawa is like incredible. It was super nice. Yesterday was just kind of super chill. We just drove, enjoyed the view, and we made it here to Sault Ste. Marie, which is just, there's not a whole lot here. For those of you guys that live here, I'm sure you guys have stuff to do, but there's not a whole lot here. I had a couple hockey tournaments here as a kid. It's not terrible, and it's only 6 hours from home. It's like noon now, we're the only ones left in the parking lot. Except this guy, I don't know what this guy's deal is. I'm gonna keep telling you guys this every day too. The trailer's towing like an absolute dream. The trailer and the truck, the combo, I'm loving it. I need some breakfast or lunch or whatever, I don't even know. Every day we lose another time zone. I'm hungry, I need coffee.
Yours?
Thank you. Today looks like an easy, breezy 6.5 hours, dude. Literally right from the hotel to the home. I got breakfast, we're cruising. We're 6.5 hours away. Let's do it. Does everybody have their walkie-talkies on?
I do. Yeah.
I got a game we can play to make today go just a little bit more fun. Anytime you see a trailer, like an RV, a trailer, a pop-up trailer, any sort of camper like this one that's coming at us right now, you put Anal in front of the name. Anal Oasis. And you just try and get the best one.
I like this game.
Anal Airstream. Anal Four Winds. The Anal Spirit. The Anal Sunray. Anal Bullet. Anal Prowler. Anal Sunset. Anal imagine.
Open range.
Majestic. I guess you could be swapping these backwards too and saying majestic. Whatever makes you smile. Those boys just wrote "stay committed" on a piece of paper and like press it up against the window as they roll by me. But dude, I'm home. I just passed my college. Like I'm home, and it's amazing. And I love you guys over here, man. Like ever since I started doing YouTube at a decent scale, when I was in BC, I could go anywhere at any time. I will rarely get recognized. It's very rare. BC is like very small. It's kind of sheltered. There's not a lot of people there. The population's pretty low in the grand scheme of things. There's just not a lot of people there. But like I will come home for Christmas and I will get recognized everywhere, like the mall. And I don't care. You guys know that. If you ever met me, you know I'm like, well, at least I think I'm like a pretty humble guy. Like I don't really like being recognized. It doesn't do anything for me. Like I don't care to be anybody. I just want to have fun with my cars. But it's more like when you guys recognize me, I know that you guys are loving my content and you're loving what I'm doing, and you make me feel like my job's like, my work is being seen and I can see the outcome. Instead of just a number on a video, I see the human being who watches and loves what I do, and that's what's cool. And I will come home for Christmas, I'll get recognized in the mall, I'll get recognized everywhere. And like, I've been home for probably over 24 hours in Ontario, and I've seen and talked to more people in Ontario in this 24 hours than I did in the whole month before I left when I lived in BC. It's nuts, and I f***ing love you guys.
Yo, this is so weird.
I'm home. I'm in my hood, in my own vehicle for the first time in like 3 years. It doesn't feel weird. It's like feels normal, but it's a weird normal feeling. That I feel normal in a place I haven't been in a while, and it's super weird, dude.
Oh damn, dude. Let's make sure that the whole street knows I'm home.
We made it! Hello.
What a journey, dude.
Now Courtney's crying. Awesome.
Yeah. We did a drive across country.